Hey guys, so this process video is just titled Dodger because I didn't actually put a title on this layout. So this paper, I can't remember, it's from a Dovecraft collection from last year, maybe the year before, but it's quite bright, so I just put a layer of white gesso and dried it. I cut this out, yeah, there you go. And then this is my photo. It's a photo of Dodger, just lying in the sun on the doormat by the back door. So yes, I use the colours which are in the background paper for my layers. So there's like a turquoisey green, pink, and I think the next one is yellow. Yep, yellow. So these papers I'm using for my layers I have had for God knows how many years. I reckon at least 10. So I've no idea where they came from. They're a birthday present from my gran when she was still alive, when I was like 7 or 8, so I have no idea where they're from, and yes, I still have them. Some of them anyway, because I didn't do scrapbooking back then, but I was quite crafty, creative rather. So then I'm just using this bit, which this paper is from the Sweet Collections, this navy one, which I have punched some circles out of, so I just made that work. You can see just about on one bit where I have punched the circle, but it's not that obvious, and I don't mind. And I think I cover it up anyway with embellishment. So then I needed something to ground the photo, so I took this paper, which is the same as the majority of the layers, which is blue, as you can see, and tore that. And I did tear the background paper slightly when I took off the masking tape, but I don't mind. And yeah, just use that as a base for sort of like the layout. I think I should have maybe put it slightly lower, but it's a bit late now, and as you can see I used red line tape because that is the only double-sided tape I had. I do now have more normal double-sided tape, which is good. So yes, just trimmed the edge, so it'll fit in page protector. Then I start embellishing. So I have a load of fussy cut roses, which I cut out for a different project, which there is a process video for, but it's not going up until late July, early August, because that's a gift, and the person it's for, I know, watches my videos. So yes, she can probably work out who it is. So yeah, just using my what is it? The Dovecraft Ultimate Craft Glue to stick these down. I squeezed a load out into one of my palettes and just used a brush. Dodger, be quiet. Sorry, he's growling at something. So yeah. And then, because these were all pink, and I'm just tucking them sort of in between the layers slightly, which was a bit difficult with the amount of glue I used. Not glue, tape I used on the layers. Dodger! And then As you can see, I cut out a massive chunk because I was fussy cutting as I was going. So I left in a bit of fussy cutting. And yeah, so because all the roses were pink, I wanted to add some like of these orangey red ones, which from the same paper, which again is from a collection which is a couple of years old and I've not seen it since. But these are like the same colour as the orangey red patches in the background paper. So yes, this is a rather large rose cluster, but I like it. And then, so just sticking down the final bits from where I've tucked ones behind and all of that. And then just got a little bud which I add somewhere, I think. And now Dodger started playing. So apologies if you can hear him in the background. Yeah, I add that little bud in, and then what else do I do? I think I then just add ink splatters. Oh, a little bit more glue. Yeah, ink splatters. So I use Heidi Swap Colour Shine. Don't know where I've gone at this point. Oh, I'm shaking up the bottle. This is raspberry. And I just did these at a diagonal just to, you know, so that it, I don't know, it just looked better at a diagonal. That's a photo for a different layout. And then I'm sure I add another colour. Yes, this is a Caldo drawing ink in gold mixed 50-50 with water, because they're very thick inks. And then that is it. So thanks for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe, and I shall see you guys next time. Bye!